South West Wales is a region of Wales. A definition consisting of the unitary authorities of Swansea, Neath Port Talbot, Pembrokeshire, and Carmarthenshire is used by a number of government agencies and private organisations including BBC, Welsh Assembly Government, South West Wales Economic Forum, SWWEF, South West Wales Integrated Transport Consortium, SWWITCH, South West Wales Tourism Partnership, SWWTP, West Wales Chamber of Commerce, WWCC. A different definition is used in the EU Nomenclature of Territorial Units for Statistics, which refers to South West Wales as a subdivision of West Wales and the valleys comprising Carmarthenshire, Ceredigion, and Pembrokeshire. See also South Wales, West Wales, Swansea Bay City Region, North West Wales. References. External links. One Big Garden, Gardens and Parkland in South West Wales. Visit Wales, South West Wales. Inspirational South West Wales. Wales.com, South West Wales.